Hey y'all, welcome back to another banging video. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I just got home from work right now actually, and I bought a few things. So I'm gonna basically just show y'all what I got. Some avocados, plantains. This is for tomorrow if I decide to cook. I got a wrap for school, a chicken tender wrap. I post about this all the time on TikTok. It's literally so gas. But what I'm really gonna be eating with y'all today is sushi because it is Wednesday and Wednesday is $5 sushi. And of course I got me some chopsticks and I got me some sauce, soy sauce. And I got yum yum sauce at home as well. So I got all the things to eat this successfully with y'all. This is the one I'm gonna be eating, the $5 crunch wrap, crunchy roll actually. This is how it looks. And let me get like a little plate because I want y'all to be able to see. All right, so I set it up there nicely for y'all, I would say. And then here are my chopsticks. I got some soy sauce and some yum yum sauce as well. I have two sushis. I also got the Wednesday cream cheese crunch roll. I'm gonna say that one for tomorrow. And then I also got some chopsticks and sauce for that as well. And each one of those was $5. And then I got the avocados and some plantains as well. So yeah, we're just gonna be eating this together. I'm pretty hungry, so I'm excited to eat this. And basically during this video, I also want to talk to you guys about, I guess, like one of the downfalls about working in the pharmacy. I just feel like it's like this anywhere though in the healthcare fields, not just the pharmacy. So yeah, but I'm gonna still touch base on it because although it has so many perks, and a lot of people all the time ask me like, how do you like it? And that's the only reason I'm addressing it, is because I want to be very transparent. Like, it's not only good stuff. Like, yes, there's room for improvement, there's good money, there's great things, but at the same token, there's also like, look, one of the hardest things, I'm gonna just get straight into it. Lord bless this food that we are about to eat. Okay. I'm so excited. Hold on, guys. I've not eaten all shift and I'm so hungry. Not the sushi falling apart. Look, I know there's people out here who judge me because I eat in front of a camera. And that's fine. But I like what I do. And I have people who, you know, who will literally be like, I ate because of you. And that to me is enough to just keep going. If I can help one person freaking eat their food, I'm doing what I was sent to do in this world. Help people. Anyway, so today at work, it was a good day, but I don't even know if I should. I mean, I'm not disclosing any personal information, but I was really taken aback when I found out that, I don't want to say my favorite patient, right? Because you're not supposed to have favorites and this and that. And that's fine. I don't necessarily have favorites. I don't even work in the pharmacy that long and this and that. And I keep myself professional and I like everyone. Obviously, when someone treats you really good, you get closer to that person, right? So I had this one patient that treated me and all my coworkers so amazing. He was literally the sweetest person. Never complained, was always happy. His wife and whatever, family was always good to us as well. He was just a happy man. And I was devastated to find out that unfortunately he passed away today. Not today, a week ago, but I found out today. I did not eat my whole shift. I was like in complete shock. It makes me sad. I didn't know him like that. You know what I'm saying? This is not, I don't want y'all to think like this was, you know, I didn't know him like that. I didn't. But he was like just the happiest person, like always just came into that pharmacy so happy. I remember who he is. I remember our conversations. I remember all those things. I can't even grab sushi correct. I remember all those things. I didn't know him like that, but every time he saw me or saw any of us, he was just so happy. And we were even happier to help him. I was always happy to see him. But unfortunately, and if y'all saw my reaction in the moment, I was like, what? Like, huh? And it's hard because when you're at work and these things happen to you, in the medical field, that's what you subject yourself to, you know? People are gonna pass, people get really sick, and there's sometimes not a recovery option for some of them. That's what you subject yourself to when you decide to work in the medical field, anywhere that you decide to work at. It's not limited to a pharmacy, a doctor's office, a hospital. There's no limit, because I've worked in multiple places, not just being in a pharmacy, in which I've seen a patient pass away. But I just was in shock with this one. No one saw it coming. It was just devastating. I'm praying for their family. So there y'all have it, because everyone always portrays the really good stuff and how much, you know, opportunity and money there is in the medical field. And yeah, there is, but prepare yourself. Just brace yourself. You know, grass is always greener on the other side. Always. It's always looks better on the outside when you get in there than you're, you know. And I love my job, don't get me wrong. This has nothing to do with, it's not that it has nothing to do, but I'm not faulting my job for this at all. This was not my job's fault. This is, you know what I'm saying? This would have happened regardless if I worked there or not. But I cannot eat sushi for my life today. What is going on? What the? I cannot eat sushi for my life today. All I'm saying is to brace yourself. Medical field, stuff like that happens. So it was a great day until I found that out. And one advice that that gentleman always told me was to just be happy and smile and let people feed off your energy. And I feel like I am very much like that, and I'll continue to be. I do believe in, you know what I'm saying, like honoring people through their wishes and through what they would have wanted. You know, but I just wanted to bring a little bit of awareness. I don't want to like knock down anyone's boat who's thinking of joining the medical field, but hold on, let me go open for my dog the door. If I don't do it, nobody else will do it. Whisker, I'm coming. Give me a second. I got a spoon while I was at it, y'all, because I'm not trying to eat with my hands and like I cannot pick it up with a chopstick for some reason. It don't taste the same with a spoon though. I really don't, but whatever. Anyways, on my channel, I find my channel to be a very helpful channel. I try to explain everything as it is. I don't sugarcoat anything. I encourage all of my subscribers always to like, you know, all the positive things and to do better in life and this and that. But I thought it would be also important for me to just give you the whole thing. There's so much good in it. It's more good than bad. That's why I'm here. I work in the medical field. I've always worked in the medical field. I'm always want to. But like I said, I'd feel wrong if I only told y'all the good and not, I wouldn't say it's the bad because it's the reality of life, but it's the reality that you're gonna have to deal with working in the medical field. So rest in peace to that man. Such a good man. And what's crazy is I used to let situations like that really dictate like my days. And you have to kind of develop a shell that like, you can't let every death get to you. You can't let everything get to you. And I'm a sensitive person. And one thing about me is I feel for all my patients. And people in the medical field are going to tell you that that's a bad quality because you almost have to develop a sense of like numbness. You know what I'm saying? That patient died, unfortunately, this and that, but keep it moving. At least me, and to this day, I'm very compassionate. I can sympathize with almost anybody, if not everybody. I can sympathize with somebody who's probably in the wrong. You know what I'm saying? So it's hard for me to do that, but you know. It's part of the medical field. So anyway. Drink some water. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I think the biggest thing that y'all can take from me today is that life is short. Live your life to the fullest. Enjoy what you do. And just be positive about what you do have. Count your blessings that you already have. You know what I'm saying? Because you just never know when it can be taken away from you. So just be grateful for what you do have and don't worry about what you don't have because God and time will always tell. And yeah, that's just my biggest thing. I just want to be grateful for what I do have. I don't want to compare myself. Oh, my hair is not long enough. Oh, my lashes are this. Oh, my lip, like who? I'm living, I'm breathing, I'm healthy, I'm happy. Like that's a blessing within itself. So I'm not focused on what I don't have. I'm focused on what I do have and giving thanks for that because it's really eye-opening. And that's, I guess, one of the good things is that you start to be more grateful for what you do have because you constantly see people battling with a simple, you know what I'm saying? People take their health for granted, their safety for granted. And there's people out here really battling that. And that's one thing that the healthcare field, the medical fields will open up to you. So, you know, I will be praying later on and just, you know, feeling better myself. I know it might come off as like, oh, you're eating, you're fine, you're this and that. I've had a long shift. I've didn't eat during my shift. I was very much hungry, but you know, what you see momentarily on these 15-20 minutes that I post here on camera isn't necessarily my whole day. I go through ups and downs during my day just like anybody else. And so I usually just try to portray, yes, my most authentic self here on camera. That's just me. Every YouTuber is different. But yeah, I mean, like I said, I will handle this more appropriately probably outside the camera, just like praying and stuff, because that's a little bit more personal. And like I said, I don't really know the man, but I'm gonna pray for him and his family just because they were good people. Like, I don't know, and he was just always a sweetheart. So my personal, you know, relationship with that, and also there's also a sort of obviously HIPAA and things like that. I'm not going to disclose any information regarding the patient, but a death can happen to anyone, and that's basically just what I want to open up to you guys, in the sense of like, that's one of the downfalls in the medical field. And even at that though, it really makes you grateful for what you do have, and it just creates a sense of humanity. Like, you know what I'm saying, like just being able to be like more compassionate with others and really get in touch with your feelings. And you do have to portray a wall, and I'm a very sensitive person. I'm always feel compassion for people, but I think it's something that also differentiates me from the rest, because like I said, a lot of people in the medical field are very like, I will never let that be me. I'm gonna be me. You know what I'm saying? I can keep performing and doing my job and doing my task and complying with the rules and this and that, despite me hearing that something bad just went on. But when I get home, I will also be praying about it, and you know what I'm saying, doing what I need to do to cope with that situation, because I'm a human and I have feelings, and it hurts me to know that that happened to somebody who was genuinely so good to me, you know, and to my coworkers. So yeah, it's hard for people not to change in this industry, but there's a few of us that still are very much solid. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.